Hi students, good morning to all. Today, before getting to the sessions, let me know interesting facts about computer. Okay? What do you think about when you think of a computer? You probably think about all the things you can do on it, right? It can help you with homework, okay? And then you can play games and then you can easily find out informations that you need from browse, isn't it? And here are some real cool facts about computers that you might be surprised at. Okay, now let me know the facts. The history of computer. In 1833, a man by the name of Charles Babbage invented all the parts that are now used for modern computer. Okay, but it was only 120 years later that the first modern computer were invented. Cornel Zuse was the inventor of the first computer in the world in 1936, and the name of the computer is Z1. And again in 1939, he created the Z2 as the first electromechanical computer in the world. So computers were born and these early computers were made in the 1940s and were around the size of large room and they used of electricity. Okay, can you imagine having a computer the size of a large room and then how could you be able to sit in the front of it? Computers as we know them today only a real started beginning made in 1980. Okay. In 1980, the first 1 gigabyte disk drive was released in the world. The weight of a gigabyte is 550 pounds. And this is a unit of computer information. Clear? And these are the today's amazing facts. Now let's get into the session. And today we are going to practice chapter 2 uses of computer book back exercise. Okay? In the first exercise, Ricky wants to know what he can do on a computer. Okay, see in that activities, the given activities, what are the activities, what are the things we can do it on a computer that we can find. Okay, first paint, yes, we can do it on a computer. Next, did you wash your hands on computer? No. Next, swimming, no, it's not possible. Okay, we should not swim on a computer. And next, calculations. If it's possible to make calculations on a computer, yes, it's possible. So you may just tick it. Next, is it possible to eat on a computer? No, this is not possible. Okay. Next, is it possible to listen music on a computer? Yes, it's possible. So you may just tick it. Clear? See what are the things we can, I just repeat to you. See, we can paint on a computer. We can use calculations on a computer. We can listen music on a computer. Okay. And next, let me move to the next activity. Yes. See, you may just find out where it's placed and where we use in that which place we are using that computer. Okay, the first place, where is it? Yes, it's railway station. Okay, so you may just tick railway station in that. Yes, and the next place where it is, yes, it's airport. Okay, you may just tick airport in that. Okay, you may just tick it in airport. Yes, next place where it is it possible to find it? Yes, it's hospital. You may just tick it. Okay, in a railway station and airport, to use a computer to book tickets and cancel. Okay, and then in a hospital, use a computer to maintain records of patients. Okay,
and easily diagnose the disease. And next, let me do color the monitor that show things we can do on a computer. Okay, you may just take any color. Okay. In that first picture, what they given, solve sums. Okay, we can solve sums. Is it possible to do on computer? Yes, we can do on computer. To use calculator, we can do on computer to solve sums. Yes, so you may just color it. Okay, take any color, you may just color it in a solve sums. Okay, yes. And next, polish shoes. We can do on, is it possible to we can do on a computer? No. How is it possible? It's not possible. Next, watch movies. Yes, it's possible to do on computer. Okay, watch movies, do on a computer, we can possible. Okay, next, eat food. It's not possible. Draw pictures. Yes, it's possible, so you just color it. And next, play games. Yes, we can do on computer. Okay, you may just color it. Solve sums, watch movies, draw pictures, play games. Okay, these are we can easily do on computer. Clear? And next, let me move to next exercise. Okay, Froggy wants to play games, so we need to help him to reach his computer. Okay, you may just find the right path to reach computer. Okay, yes. Let me start. Yes. First, Froggy, please come with me. I just take you to reach to your computer. Okay, we just help to him. Okay, come. Froggy walks straight and then take right. Yes. And again walk straight and take right. Your turn. And then easily reach. Yes. Froggy easily reached to his computer. Now Froggy very happy. And next one, in this, what are the things we can do easily on computer? You may just color red color. Use color. Okay, use red to color it. Okay. And then if it's not possible to do on a computer, you may take a yellow and then color it. Clear? So you have to identify what is we can do on computer, what we cannot do on, we can't do on computer. Clear? If it's possible to do on computer, you may use red. If it's not possible to do on computer, you may use yellow. Clear? The first one what they given, play music. Yes, we can do. So you may use red. See, okay? And the next what they given, cook food. Yes. So cook food, is it possible to use on computer to cook food? No, it's not possible. So you may just take yellow color and color in that. Okay. See kids, yellow it's not visible to see for me. That's why I'm taking a blue color to fill it. Okay, you may just try to use yellow color. Clear? Yes. Yeah, we done. And the next what they given, type and read. Okay, type and read. Type and read, we can use computer or not? Yes, of course we can easily use computer to type and read. Clear? Yes, so is it possible? So you may use red color and fill it. Yes. And next, brush your teeth. Is it possible to do brush your teeth or you to use on computer? No, it's not possible to get help from computer. You can do yourself. So you may take a yellow color and then color it. Clear? Take yellow color. I am just taking blue color to color it. Why? Because yellow is not visible to see. So you may just take yellow. I am just taking blue color. Okay. And the next, what they given to solve sums. Yes, we can able to do. So we just color it. Okay.
And next one, write the first letter of the name of each picture. Okay, here the given picture, you have to identify the given pictures. Okay, and then you may just write the first letter. For the first object, apple. Yeah, what the first letter? A. Very good. And next, what is that? Ice cream. What the first letter? I. Good. And third, what picture they given? Yes, rabbit. So what the first letter of rabbit? Yes, R. So you should write R in that. Clear? Yes. Done. And the next, the fourth, what picture they given? Yes, pencil. So what the spelling of pencil? P-E-N-C-A-L. Pencil. What the first letter of pencil? P. So you should write in there. Okay. Next, owl. What the first letter of owl? Yes, O. So you should write O in that. Clear? Next, what picture they given? Yes, rabbit. So what the first letter of rabbit? Yes, R. So you should write R in that. Clear? Yes. And the next, what picture they given? Yes, tree. What the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E, tree. What the first letter of tree? T. So you should write in that. Clear? And the next, what picture they given? Sun. What the spelling of sun? Is U-N. Good. What the first letter of sun? Yes. So you should write in that. Clear?
And next picture, what they given? Car. Good. What the spelling of car? C-A-R. Car. Okay. And what the first letter of car? C. Yes. So you should write C in that. Okay. Good. Next, what picture is visible there? Hen. What the spelling of hen? H-E-N. Hen. Okay. What the first letter of hen? H. Good. So you should write H in that. Okay. Next, what picture they given? Owl. Good. What the spelling of owl? O-W-L. Owl. Okay. What the first letter? Yes. O. So you may just write O in that. Clear? And next, yes, octopus. What the spelling of octopus? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Okay. So what the first letter of octopus? O. So you just write O in that. Clear? Next, what is that? Yes, lamp, light lamp. What the spelling of light lamp? L-A-M-P. What the first letter? L. Yes. So we find school. Okay, in that sentence we find school. Next, hen. Yes, H we have to write. Next, what picture? Octopus. What the first letter of octopus? O. Yes. Next, what picture is that? Yes, mango. What the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O. What the first letter? M. Good. Next, yes, very good. Egg. What the first letter? E. Good. So what word we got from that picture? Home. Clear? From home we are using computer. From school we are using computer. From airport we are using computer. Okay, these are the place we are using computer. Clear?
Yes.
Airport, school and home. My dear kids, we done our book back exercise for chapter 2. Okay, and next here I have attached video for you. You may just watch it. Okay.
Uses of computers. Hello, I'm a computer. I'm a very useful machine. I solve sums for Addy. He even plays games on me when he's done with his homework. This is Addy's mother. She's a writer. She writes stories and poems on me. She also writes letters to her friends and relatives. She sends e-greetings to wish birthdays and festivals to family and friends. Hi, Robbie. Did I tell you Robbie is Addy's younger brother and my best friend? Did you hear the latest movie song? It's so nice, Robbie. No, I haven't. You haven't? Play it on me. Thanks, dear computer. I love this song. My pleasure, Robbie. This is Addy's father. He's an architect and a painter. He makes lovely drawings and paintings on me. I love him the most because he makes me look so colorful. He uses so many tools to make his sketches. In his free time, he watches movies on me. Addy and Robbie too watch their favorite cartoons on me. Okay, so you think I only help at home? No. There are so many other places where I'm used. See, this is Addy's school. His principal is a busy man. Many years ago, when I wasn't there, he used to have so many files and papers. He was very sad. Then he brought me in his office. Now, he saves all his important work inside me. He doesn't need those paper files anymore. What fun! This is Addy's classroom. See, I'm here too. I help his teacher to teach in the class and make activities for the kids. Now this is a supermarket. You must be thinking what I'm doing here, right? I'll introduce you to my friend Minnie Computer. Hi Minnie, how are you? I am fine, but right now I'm very busy. I have to prepare bills for so many people. Do you see this big line out here? See, I help in a supermarket too. The cashier uses me to prepare bills for the customers. I make his work so fast.
Hey computer, what are you doing here?
Dad, I just came to say hello to my other computer friends.
Very well. Do you want to come with me to my office?
Sure, let's go. This is Addy's father's office. I have many friends here too. All my friends help the people in the office work faster and better. Let me show you some more interesting places where I work. See, this is an airport. It is a busy place. So many people come here to take flights to other cities, states, and countries. People working at the airport help the passengers to book tickets and give them information about the timings of the aeroplanes. Do you know how they remember so much? They have stored all this information inside me. So, whenever they want, they look for it in me. Wow! I also help at the railway station in a similar way. Okay, let me go back home now. My family would get worried if they don't see me. Oh, a hospital. I have many friends here. Let me quickly say hello to them. There is such a long queue here. Let me check what these people want.
Sir, I need to check on my computer whether your medicines are available or not. They are, sir. You can pay at the next computer counter, sir.
Did you see computers are used in hospitals too? Hospitals use computers to keep records of the patients, details of the medicines, and much more. Oh, did I tell you computers are used in banks too to store the names and account information of all account holders? They also help in keeping record of the cash. I make everything so simple, don't I? I have reached home now. I'll catch you soon, little kids. Bye.
So students, I hope today's session is very useful to you. Okay, it's time to zooming out. Okay, and then I just meet with you the next session, and then bye. Take care. Thank you.